Welcome back to Asia Tonight. Thank you for staying with us. The corruption trial of Rosmah Mansor, the wife of former Malaysian Prime Minister Najib Razak, has finally begun. It was supposed to start on Monday, but was delayed when Rosmah's lawyers said that she was unwell.
She is charged with soliciting and receiving millions of dollars of bribes for a solar hybrid project in 2016. Melissa Go reports from Kuala Lumpur.
Now, with an ambulance in tow, 68-year-old Rosmah Mansor arrived in Kuala Lumpur High Court just before 10 a.m., clad in a lime green floral Malay costume with matching scarf and a tote bag carried by her aide. Now, she appeared upbeat despite limping slightly as she was assisted into the courtroom. Now, inside the courtroom, Rosmah, who according to a doctor is suffering from cervical spondylosis and osteoarthritis on both knees, sat quietly in the dock on a wooden bench supported by pillows. Now, she was accused of soliciting $46 million from Jepar Holdings director Saidi Samsudin as a reward for securing a solar hybrid contract to power more than 300 schools in interior Sarawak. Now, lead prosecutor Gopal Sriram, in reading out the opening statement, said she had wanted $50 million at first. That's 17% of the contract value, but agreed at 15% later after her aide, Rosmah Mansor, convinced her. The prosecution, meanwhile, has dropped all charges against Rosmah and may call him as a witness. Now, 3 witnesses were called on the first day of trial, including an aide in Prime Minister's office, to prove that Rosmah, quote, with her overbearing nature, unquote, wield much influence despite holding no official position.
Are you feeling better today, Datin?
Do I have a choice? Now, a photographer was called next to show that Rosmah allegedly received more than $1.5 million in cash at her home. Now, outside the courtroom, her lawyer, Jagjit Singh, expressed disappointment with the court's refusal to accept the medical report and top issues with the anti-corruption agency investigating the doctor.
Where is the ethics? Huh? Where is the impartiality? Is that not criminal intimidation? But the judge says no. We have to bow to his ruling.
Now, it's still early days. The prosecution said they will be adducing evidence, both direct and circumstantial, to prove the bribery charges against Rosmah over the next 2 weeks. Now, if convicted, she can be jailed up to 20 years or face a fine 5 times the bribe. Melissa Go, Channel News Asia, Kuala Lumpur.